For today's adventure, we'll be visiting Montreal's largest market. Besides visiting popular tourist spots, I always look forward dropping by public markets. The market is a go-to place to buy produce, meat, souvenirs, among other things, but it's also a place where visitors get to see the culture of the city firsthand. Opened in 1933 and located in Montreal's Little Italy neighborhood, Marche Jean Talon is not just Montreal's largest market, it is also considered one of the largest open-air markets in North America. Visiting from out of town, this market was a great sightseeing spot. It's bustling with activity and definitely has something for everyone. One of the reasons we stopped by this place is to have lunch at Creperie du Marche. There wasn't a line or wait, so after placing the order, we found a table. The crepes are made to order behind the counter as you wait for your name to be called. Ordered this crepe made up of egg, cheese, and a mix of raw and cooked vegetables. The crepe is packed with and as you can see, very clean. The filling, made up of genuine, fresh, high-quality ingredients, is almost a meal itself. I'm generally not a fan of savory crepe, but this one's different. It was so good.
Italian siya pero Mexican yung mga.
We stroll around the market in search of dessert and end up getting this cannoli since we're here in Little Italy.